Okay, now let's talk about design. If your activewear isn't functional and stylish, what's the point? This, unlike the traditional cotton sole, Cozy Zero uses seamless technology. The Jinko Shift body mat reduces the heat. No seam, no chipping, no bulk. Only the second skin comfort. Super lightweight but crazy durable. Moves with you, designed for action, not just aesthetic. Fit, award-winning, sculpting, flattering, and a beautiful performance. This feels like track back. This engineers for your body. Settling for ugly, uncomfy gear. Cozy Zero here to change the world. Who's in?